In this video, you're going to learn internal CSS. So let's create a new file called internal.css.html. And let's copy the content from the inline CSS file for now. Okay, so let's call it internal CSS. All right, so the internal CSS is used by creating a new element inside the head element. Okay, so inside the head, we're going to have a new element called style. Okay, and then inside the style, all the decoration and styling will go inside. So rather than having the styling inside the open tag of the paragraph, we are going to use this syntax. So first of all, I'm going to write P for paragraph. Okay, let's get rid of this first. So I'm going to write P for paragraph, and then we're going to have an open brace, and then a close brace, and then inside we are going to set first the color. Okay, the color to green. Okay, and then we're going to have a semicolon, and then we're going to set the font size to 300%, just like that. Okay, we don't need the semicolon at the end, but we need it to separate the different parameters. So, but it's a good practice to keep the semicolon at the end, just in case you want to add something else. All right, so this is the syntax. So now all the paragraphs are going to have this syntax. If we add another paragraph, second paragraph is going to have the same styling.